know I've been contained, but there's a power yet to be set free.
What's up, guys? It's Los Dos Famos, and today we woke up in the third best city in the world to live in. And actually, I've been waking up here for over a year now, and you have been waking up here most of your life. Where are we at?
Estamos en Medellin.
So TimeOut magazine just came out with their best cities in the world to live in, and Medellin made it to number 3 on the list. So today we're going to talk to you guys about what it's like to live here in Medellin, Colombia. And if it's your first time coming here, make sure you guys stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to tell you where the best place to come visit Medellin if it's your first time coming here.
Bueno, pero hoy primero les vamos a mostrar nuestro apartamento para que dimensionen más o menos cuánto pagamos y cuál es como el estilo de vida que pueden tener acá.
So I'll let you be the tour guide for everybody.
Bueno, en la terraza es como la mejor parte para nosotros de nuestra casa porque miren esta vista tan espectacular. También tenemos acá el cuarto de lavado. Y algo que acá es como muy normal es que se seca la ropa por el aire, pues como que se seca el sol, y eso no es normal en todas partes del mundo.
Yeah, I mean, America, Europe, they have dryers, but yeah, a lot of parts of the world, especially coming down to Medellin, you can expect to probably be hang drying your clothes just because it's so hot here.
Bueno, esta es la habitación número 1, que es una de las principales. Tiene su baño que está equipado con todo, ducha, sanitario, lavamanos. De hecho, la casa tiene 4 habitaciones y todas tienen baño.
Yeah, you guys are not going to believe how much we pay to live in a 4-bed, 4-bath place with a balcony and a terrace.
Esa es la oficina de Hunter, que tiene una vista espectacular.
I don't know if this makes working easier or harder. I mean, it takes some stress away, but then I'm also wanting to go outside every day.
Bueno, esa es la sala. Esta es la sala y de hecho esta es mi oficina. Acá está mi oficina y acá está como la sala. Acá tenemos otra habitación, que es la única que no tiene baño dentro de la habitación, que es como otro closet para nosotros. Luego está nuestra habitación, que está como súper metida en la casa, y utilizamos esta para que no nos entre como tanta bulla ni tanta luz en el día. También tenemos nuestro propio baño. La cocina, el baño de
Actually, yeah, the kitchen is, 4 burners, all the normal stuff you need.
El baño de visitantes.
Wait, real quick, guys. Something interesting about living in Latin America. They never refrigerate the eggs. I found that pretty weird when I first came, started living in Mexico and came to Colombia, but yeah, I guess it's totally cool.
La otra sala o el comedor, que también está en la puerta de la casa. Y tenemos este balcón con esta tecnología para el domicilio.
Yeah, so here on the street, there's always people. One cool thing about Medellin, Colombia in general, is they're always walking by selling like fruits and vegetables. So whenever we need something, what do, Stephanie?
We throw the bag y la persona del primer piso la sube, pone lo que estamos comprando, la sube y ya tenemos nuestro domicilio.
Yeah, if you come to live in Medellin, you can expect to hear this every day. Aguacate!
Yeah. También esta es como nuestra habitación para invitados, bienvenidos, que también tiene su baño. De hecho tiene bañera, pero nunca lo usamos.
Yeah, too hot here to really use the bathtub, no point in using that. And the view here was better for whoever stayed in here. Oh, it's very bright now. But they just built this building right across the way, the 2 top stories here, so we lost a lot of view of the mountain, unfortunately, but still have that terrace view, which is incredible. So guys, to live here, In Medellin. We are in Laureles, which is like the second most popular place to live here or visit here in Medellin. Spend $450 per month on this place, and when you include utilities like internet, water, gas, that comes to be about 50 to 75 more bucks a month there. So yeah, pretty much to live here in a place like this, 4-bed, 4-bath. Not the nicest. We have some issues, like, you know, it's a little grungy there, but the view is amazing and the lifestyle is really, really nice and chill. So I think that is well worth the value there, 500 bucks a month.
Sí, también, bueno, vamos a hablar ahora de por qué Medellín es una de las mejores ciudades para vivir. Entonces, como lo más importante y lo más grande que ha hecho siempre Medellín, pues como una ciudad súper apetecida para la gente vivir, es el clima.
Yeah, the weather here is just incredible. Every day it's like 85 degrees during the day. At night it gets down to like mid-low 60s, so like pretty good sleeping weather, not too hot. And actually the weather kind of depends on like the time, like the rain during the time of the year. So sometimes like every year is different. Sometimes like it's more rainy than other times, and then it's pretty cool. Maybe like, you know, mid 70s every day. And other times it'll be mid 80s if it's like not raining for a long period of time.
Sí, también Medellín tiene como muy buena estructura del transporte público. Entonces el transporte público acá tiene muy buenos accesos a todas las ciudades, desde las partes más ricas hasta las partes no tan ricas de la ciudad. Entonces acá la gente se puede mover muy fácil en el metro, que también tiene bicicletas que puedes rentar cerca de las estaciones del metro y te puedes mover alrededor de la ciudad gratis.
And even if you don't, you know, use the metro, the affordable metro, or the bikes, you can also just take a Uber or taxi anywhere, and it's the most it's going to cost you is like $5 to $6 to get pretty much anywhere in the city, and that is just unbelievable coming from like America.
Yeah. También cuando mercamos, todos los vegetales son súper frescos, la comida es súper fresca.
You can get any fruit here that you could ever imagine, delicious quality. Like in America, just to compare it to my country, a lot of times, maybe you get like avocado from the store one day, it's green and hard, not ready yet, the next day it'll already be rotten. Here, that's never going to happen. The fruit is always in good, just amazing quality. They don't really use like, you know, the stuff there, the pesticides here, do they?
Not that
Not as much, yeah.
Bueno, también, aparte de que puedes comprar como una comida muy fresca, hay restaurantes con propuestas gastronómicas de todo el mundo, entonces puedes encontrar comida muy rica, que sabe muy autóctona de cualquier parte del mundo.
Yeah, you can get really, really good quality food here. A lot of my friends that came to visit me from Chicago were very, very impressed with like the quality of like food you can get here. So they have like the steaks here are amazing. You can get amazing like Japanese food, Italian food. Wow, there's a lot going on right now in the air.
Entonces Medellín antes era conocida como una de las ciudades más peligrosas del mundo y ahora es una ciudad que tiene demasiada cultura, la gente ama demasiado su ciudad, la ciudad siempre está muy limpia. Los lugares donde tenían como los peores escenarios de crimen y de violencia, que uno de esos es la Comuna 13, ya es un lugar turístico donde la gente va, conoce la historia y disfruta un montón de la ciudad.
Yeah, speaking about the culture here, it's a very artsy city, so you can walk around and there's like murals on like a lot of the sides of the buildings, very, very beautiful, well done, like graffiti, murals, stuff like that, as well as the music culture here. Like a lot of the biggest artists in like Latin America are coming from here, Medellin. So we got Karol G, J Balvin,
Maluma. Fate.
Yeah, so and we actually went to the Karol G concert here in the stadium when it was here just a few months ago. That was incredible. I would highly recommend if you're going to come visit Medellin, or if you're coming to live here especially, if you can go check out at least a soccer match or go to like a concert they're having in the stadium. The experience is incredible. The energy is otherworldly. It's a really, really cool experience.
Yeah.
So besides that, like the nature here is just incredible. You have hikes all over the city you can do. There's a Pablo Escobar hike where you start at Pablo Escobar's prison and you hike down through 2 waterfalls you can go swimming in, very refreshing. In the middle of the city, they have Pueblito Paisa, which is where like it's very, very convenient to get to, and you get a panoramic view of all of Medellin. If you want something a little bit more challenging, a lot of people go to Tres Cruces, which is on the far side of the city. and people go there to exercise and hike up it, and with a really, really nice view of the city as well, but it's a little bit more challenging than Pueblito Paisa.
Y también demasiados parques en la ciudad, demasiado, entonces puedes sacar tu perro, puedes ir a correr, puedes hacer un picnic o solamente puedes salir a disfrutar del clima y como de los días. También cerca de la ciudad hay muchos pueblos, entonces si estás aburrido del clima de acá porque está muy caliente o muy frío, te vas a un pueblo a 20, 30 minutos y ya estás en un clima totalmente diferente. Está por ejemplo Guatapé, que tiene la Piedra del Peñol, que es uno de los lugares más turísticos de Colombia.
The truth, yeah. And I will say one more thing about like the parks here. Yeah, it's very easy, and the parks and the food combined. But it's very, very easy to like stay in good shape here because you're walking a lot. You can go enjoy the nice parks, and the quality of the food is just so healthy for you that pretty much everybody that comes here that I've like met or like I've like invited to come here has lost weight while they've been here.
Oh, yeah. También puedes hacer como todo tipo de cosas acá. Puedes salir a escalar, puedes hacer paseos en helicóptero, tiene como demasiadas cosas turísticas que puedes hacer y estamos muy cerca de casi todo el país porque el aeropuerto es internacional, entonces puedes volar fácilmente a otras ciudades como San Andrés, Santa Marta, Cartagena o a otros países desde la ciudad.
Yeah, we're actually right in the middle. Medellin is like right in the middle of the populated part of Colombia. So the great part about it is here we have two airports. One of, like she was saying, is an international airport where you can get anywhere. I'm not saying anywhere in the world, but like you get to America, you can get to other places in South America or like Mexico. And then you can also we have right here in the middle of the city, that airport, that international airport is about 30 minutes outside the city. We also have a airport in the middle of the city here where if you want to go to visit like smaller places in the Amazon or smaller places on the coast, Capergana, Bahia Solano to see the whales, you can take a flight there, like $100, $150 with like an 8-person prop plane. That's a really, really cool experience. And last thing, yeah, real quick, we were talking about the wildlife here. We forgot to say that the trees here are just incredible. They have all types of variations of trees. You can see huge pine trees that they actually came down from Canada, every type of palm tree imaginable. Cactus, like huge San Pedro cactus, which are like 20 feet tall. So you're walking down the street, you're passing all these trees, fruits falling from them. You can pick up mangoes, avocados, mamoncillos. You see people picking fruit off the trees all the time here, and that is just so cool. Like you can, it's the city that has all that stuff in it, and it's just a city. You know what I mean? Like not many places are like that.
Did we already talk about the parties?
No.
La fiesta acá es súper buena. Acá pueden encontrar como música de todas las partes del país. Pueden encontrar música de la costa, más como rock o reggaetón, que es como lo más popular, y la fiesta es increíble.
Yeah, they call this like the Vegas of South America. And it really, I mean, it's not quite as intense as Vegas. They have a bunch of casinos here as well. The party scene is amazing. And I wouldn't say it's quite like Vegas, but it is spectacular. If you're coming to live, you're getting a good balance of everything. Party, nature, whatever you want, you can find here in Medellin.
Entonces, vengan a Medellin y disfruten de esta ciudad maravillosa.
And we have to tell them where they should stop by, they should come for the first time.
Si van a venir como de paseo solamente por una semana, les recomendamos que de aquí poblado van a encontrar como toda la zona rosa, que es como los restaurantes, la rumba. También es el lugar como más turístico, entonces van a poder conocer mucha gente como de otros países, van a poder como hacer amigos en sus hostales. Y de hecho acá están 8 de los mejores hostales del mundo.
See, actually, yeah, one of the things we forgot to hit on is the medical tourism here, or just like the hospital system in general. Medellin has 8 of the 42 best hospitals in Latin America. So if you're coming here to live, or if you even want to come here for like medical tourism, you can be rest assured you're coming to a really, really good place and are going to be taken care of well. The hospital systems here are really good, and you can get private health care here as well. And if you're coming here to live, you can get on the insurance system here, right, the SURA, and compared to like living in a place like the States where you're going to be paying thousands of dollars a month to be insured and get healthcare there, here you can expect an affordable healthcare cost.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what it's like, guys, to live in the 3rd best city in the world, soon to be #1 next year. I'm expecting it. A lot more people are coming down to Medellin, and you should too. You should come check it out. Ciao.